Hi, and welcome into the TechHub.training Python challenge. Move those files, video solution. Let's jump right into it. So in this challenge, you were tasked to move a set of invoices into each of their individual client folders from a different folder using Python. To do this, I used three different packages, glob, shuttle, and some regex called re. But to start, I created this variable from directory and assigned it to the input so that way the user can always find whatever folder they need to move the files from. And part of the task was to make sure that they use this a slash at the end of it, because if they don't, it can cause some problems with moving the folders from one to another in the file path. And so you just do a simple if else conditional statement to make sure that they added the slashes at the end. And then you do the same thing for the to directory. This is where you want the files to end up. And then we get down to the glob where we set up a list I called it remit, the client number, and then we loop through all of the names that glob finds in the file, and we add it to the list using .append right here. So then we go through our list remit right here, and we find the files. I used regex to find any file that started with 6 numbers, because you see here that all of the client invoices start with 6 numbers. So that case, in case anything weird ends up in this folder, it won't move it. So once it finds that file, it will move it from the from directory plus the file name to the destination, plus whatever the invoices file is called, plus the file. See this right here, the plus file ensures that it keeps the same name in the transfer. And this except is just in case an invoice file was named differently, like invoices and reports, it would still find it. And then it goes through all of them and it moves them for us. So let's hit Control Enter here. So please input the folder you wish to move the files from. So we go here, we hit Control, copy, paste, and make sure we add that slash, enter. And we want to move them all into the client folders. Control, pop, copy, paste, enter. And then we can come back in here and we'll see that all the files are gone. And then if we go into the invoices, there they are. And we have our invoices in the client folders. And that is the solution to this problem. Thanks for coming.